Hello and welcome to BEJ Decision Making Series. And today's topic is SWOT analysis. So, first, why do we need SWOT analysis? And the short and sweet answer is to find competitive advantages of a business, an organization, or a project. Let's move on to what SWOT analysis actually is. So, in simple terms, SWOT analysis is a decision-making technique that identifies the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats of an organization or project. Next, let's move on to how to do SWOT analysis in a clear, confident way. So we know SWOT stands for strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Now, let's start with a simple question. Which of these four elements are helpful and which ones are harmful for an organization or project? Yes, you guessed correctly. Strengths and opportunities are helpful, while weaknesses and threats are harmful elements. Now, next question. Which of these four are internal and which ones are external factors for an organization or project? If you answered strengths and weaknesses as internal factors and opportunities and threats as external factors, that's the correct answer. Well done for your hard work, because now we have a full picture of our SWOT analysis tool. We have the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats, but we also have the internal and external labels as well as helpful and harmful labels. Now that we have the complete tool, let's go about analyzing each of these four elements of SWOT analysis. First, we have strengths. Anything that gives you competitive advantage is the strength of your organization or project. So that's the strengths. Next, we have weaknesses. And these are the areas where your organization faces limitations or struggles. So any bottlenecks that you have are your weaknesses. Next, we have opportunities. Opportunities are the gaps in the market your organization or your project can fill. And finally, we have threats. These are risks that could cause trouble for your project or business. So, SWOT analysis is a very good tool to assess an organization, but you can also use it to do your personal assessment. Thank you for watching till the end, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share this video.